What if someone told you, "You make my heart smile"? Would you know what that means in English? Or could you say something romantic and sound natural? Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm here to guide you through today's episode, where we'll unlock simple yet powerful tips to boost your English skills.
And I'm Jack. Together, we'll walk you through real-life tips and stories that'll make English easier and a whole lot more fun.
In this episode, we're diving into the world of cute, romantic phrases in English. These are the little things you say when you're dating, flirting, or just feeling sweet.
And don't worry, we're keeping it simple, fun, and natural. Perfect for learners at A2 B1 level. Let's go. Segment 1. Why learn romantic English?
You might be wondering, why do I need to learn romantic English? Well, it's not just for love letters or movies.
It's for real life. Maybe you're dating someone who speaks English. Maybe you're chatting online. Or maybe you just want to understand what someone means when they say, "You're so sweet," or "I can't stop thinking about you."
Learning romantic phrases helps you express emotions, build closer connections, and honestly, it's just fun.
Plus, romantic English often uses soft, casual language. That's great listening practice for real conversations. Segment 2. Sweet starters. Simple romantic words.
Let's start with some very basic words that people often say in a romantic way. Sweet, cute, lovely, adorable, beautiful, or handsome.
For example, "You look lovely tonight." Or, "You're so cute when you smile." Or, "She's really sweet."
These are not just for lovers. You can use them for someone you like or even friends, depending on your tone.
Exactly. In English, words like cute and sweet can mean romantic or friendly. It depends on the mood. Mini dialogue. Sweet words in action.
Aw, you got me coffee. You're so sweet.
Of course. I like seeing you smile.
Boom. That's romantic, but simple. You didn't need big vocabulary, just kind tone and natural words.
Let's go a little deeper now. Here's some natural romantic phrases people say in everyday English. I like spending time with you. I feel really comfortable with you. I love the way you laugh. You make me happy. I miss you already.
Simple, right? And very useful. These are things you can say during a walk, on a call, or even in a text message.
Want a fun one? You make my heart skip a beat. It's like saying, when I see you, I feel excited.
Cute. Here's another. I think about you all the time.
And don't forget this classic one. I have a crush on you. That means I like you romantically.
Okay, so what do you say when someone says something romantic to you? Here are some friendly and sweet replies. That's so kind of you. You're making me blush. You're really sweet. Thank you. That made my day.
And if you want to flirt back a little, try, I feel the same way. I was thinking about you too. You always know what to say.
So gentle, so cute. Practice saying them out loud with a little smile. That helps them sound natural. Practice tip: use voice notes.
Want a cool way to practice? Try recording a voice message to yourself or a friend. Say things like,
You looked amazing today.
I love talking to you.
Being with you feels easy.
Listen back. Adjust your tone. Do you sound kind, relaxed, warm? That's the vibe you want for romantic English.
Real life example: sweet message chat.
Hey, just wanted to say, I really enjoy our conversations. You always make me smile.
Aw, you're so sweet. I feel the same way.
See? That's real modern English. Soft, romantic, and totally simple.
All right, that's the end of part 1. You've already learned
Basic romantic words like sweet, cute, and lovely.
natural, everyday phrases to express romantic feelings.
How to respond sweetly and naturally.
One great way to practice: with voice messages.
You're doing great so far. Want to keep going? Okay, so now you've got the basics. You're saying sweet things like, you're so cute, and I like spending time with you. But what if you want to get a little more romantic?
Let's level up. There are so many adorable phrases in English that sound fun, flirty, and full of feeling, but still simple enough for B1 learners. Let's explore some of them.
Segment 5. Cute English phrases that melt hearts.
Here are some super cute things people say when they're in love or starting to fall for someone.
You're my sunshine. I can't stop smiling when I'm with you.
You're the best part of my day.
Just hearing your voice makes me happy.
I feel lucky to know you.
Aw, Jack, you're making me blush over here. But seriously, these are beautiful and not hard to say. Let's repeat one together. Say this with us. You're the best part of my day.
Nice! You can use that on a date, in a text, or even after a phone call. And if someone says that to you, you can reply with, That's so sweet of you. I feel the same way. You always know how to make me smile. Mini role play. Walk in the park. Jack as your date.
I'm really happy we met.
Me too. Being with you feels so easy.
That smile of yours, it makes everything better.
Oh, stop. You're gonna make me blush. Segment 6. Using nicknames in English.
Let's talk about nicknames. In romantic English, people often use sweet words to call each other. Here are a few. Babe, honey, sweetheart, love, common in the UK, darling.
Some couples get creative too. Pumpkin, snugglebug, cutie pie.
You don't have to use them, but hearing them helps your listening. And if someone says, hey babe, how was your day? That just means, hi my love, how are you?
Simple and sweet.
Tip: use your voice.
A big part of sounding romantic in English is tone. Try saying, You look beautiful. Robot voice. Now try it softly, warmly. You look beautiful. Kind voice.
Big difference. Don't worry if you feel shy. Just practice in front of a mirror or record your voice and listen. Over time, it gets easier. Segment 7. Writing romantic messages.
Want to text someone something romantic in English? Here are some easy, lovely message ideas. Just thinking about you. Hope you're having a good day. I'm so happy we're talking. Can't wait to see you again. Good night, sweet dreams.
Short, soft, and very natural.
Here's one for special days. Happy anniversary. I'm so lucky to have you.
If you're learning English and dating someone, sending short texts like this can help you practice and grow closer. Example: romantic text exchange. Jessica, reading your message.
Just wanted to say, I'm really glad we met.
Oh, you're the sweetest. That made my day. Segment 8. Romantic English in movies and songs.
Want to learn more romantic English? Listen to music and watch romantic movies or shows with subtitles.
You'll hear lots of real-life phrases like, I'm falling for you. You're all I think about. I never felt this way before. You're the one.
And once you hear them enough, they start to feel natural.
One great way to study. Write down 3 phrases from a romantic movie scene. Then say them out loud, like you're in the movie.
Act it out. Make it fun.
Segment 9. Build confidence with practice. A lot of people say, I'm afraid I'll sound silly. But here's the truth. You sound great. You're learning. And the more you practice, the more natural it feels.
Try this challenge. Say one sweet thing in English every day. Even something simple like, you're amazing. I like being around you. Say it to yourself. Say it to a friend. Say it to your dog.
Romantic English is not just for couples. It's a chance to practice kindness and warmth in your words.
All right, you've now learned super cute romantic phrases, nicknames and sweet replies, how to write kind romantic texts, and how to build your tone and confidence.
You're doing amazing. Ready for more? Let's talk about something really important now. Sometimes people feel shy or awkward when using romantic English. They say things like, what if I sound weird? What if I say it wrong? What if they laugh?
Totally normal feelings. But here's the good news. Romantic phrases aren't about perfection. They're about feeling, tone, and being brave enough to say something kind.
Segment 10. Emotional English. Speak with heart. When you speak English from the heart, people feel it. You don't need to be advanced. You don't need big words. You just need to say something small but real. I'm happy when I'm with you. You make me feel special. I like who I am when I'm with you.
These are beautiful phrases, and they're not hard. They're soft, honest, and very powerful. Even if your accent is strong, even if your grammar isn't perfect, you still make someone smile.
Challenge time. Practice with feeling. Let's do a speaking challenge right now. Wherever you are, repeat these sentences out loud, but with feeling. Ready? You mean a lot to me. I love the way you talk. Spending time with you is the best part of my day. I like you a lot.
Nice job. That's how you train your voice and emotions together. It's not about saying it fast. It's about saying it with warmth. Let's talk real quick about something beautiful. dating or loving someone in a different language. It's not always easy. You might mix up words. You might misunderstand something.
But there's something magical about learning English with love. You ask questions. You listen harder. You try your best because the other person matters.
And that's a gift. Whether you're dating, texting, or just dreaming about romance, learning these cute English phrases can help you connect deeper.
And it makes your English journey more personal, more fun, and more real.
Okay, superstar, let's look back at what you've learned in today's episode. Basic romantic words like cute, sweet, lovely. Simple, natural phrases like I love the way you laugh. Nicknames like babe, honey, and darling. How to text romantically without sounding awkward. How to respond to romantic compliments. How to build emotional confidence in English.
And we practice them out loud with tone, feeling, and real-life examples.
We said it before, and we'll say it again. You don't need to sound like a native speaker to sound romantic. You just need to sound kind.
That's it for today's episode. Cute romantic phrases in English.
We hope it made you smile and gave you words to say what's in your heart.
If you like this episode, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. What's your favorite romantic phrase? And practice what you've just learned today.
We're so proud of you. You showed up, you listened, you practiced. And that's how you learn English fast, with fun, feeling, and a little bit of love.
We'll be back next time with more real English, real examples, and real connection.
Until then,
Stay sweet, keep learning, and don't be afraid to say something nice.
see you soon, right here on the Achieve English podcast channel.